To change the vibrator on the ARA-X4, you first need to open up the outer casing of the device and remove 6 small screws. Next, remove the transparent clip that holds the sensor PCB in place. There is one small screw at the bottom that you will need to remove. Gently remove the sensor PCB from the case. You may feel some resistance from the connection ports. Then, using a pair of tweezers, gently lift out the vibrator. Take your new vibrator and gently lay it in place. Carefully go back through the previous steps to put all of the components back into the device.